gonna show you how you can boil off some curly leaf at home. Here it is, fresh and nice. And I'm gonna show you how you can boil it off, make it fresh and nice, and then you can eat it as it is, or you can stir fry it, whatever you like, you can do with it. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments as I show you how to boil it off. Guys, first of all, you need to let the water start to boil like this. You can see how my water start to boil, and I have a lot of water inside of it. After I start to boil, simple, put in it just like this. Just be careful, don't get any burn. And I'm just putting a pack of it. Because I love my veg. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil it off, and you can have it just as it is. And you can add some cream to it. Whatever you like, you can add it to it. Alright? So basically all you need to do is just boil it off, watch it until you feel it is a little bit soft. To be honest, it's very hard to cook and it's tough. So you have to be careful. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but if you want to do, you can do. You can put a little pinch of pepper in the water. And also a pinch of salt. Alright? And also you can put a pinch of olive oil. Lovely. Simple. Give it a little stir. Then you're gonna see it start getting boiled in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Give it 3 to 4 minutes of boiling. Nice and lovely, as you can see, just finished, looking lovely and nice. But basically, as I turn on my stove, I'm just gonna simple pour off the water now and then share it out in our bowl, make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice one. So as you can see, you're looking lovely and nice. Really nice, guys. Just hopefully you guys just love the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. So thank you so much and enjoy the recipe. This is just easy to boil it off at home, but sometimes, you know, it's just good to share ideas to others that they can learn also. So enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show and see you next time. Bye bye.